Stress management. Hello learners, in this video we will be discussing about stress. Stress is an essential part of work life and is defined as an adaptive response to an external situation that result in physical, psychological or behavioral deviations from organizational participants. Stress involves interaction of the person and the environment in different circumstances. Stress may be de-stress or eustress. Hence, Sale first distinguished between de-stress and eustress, that is, positive stress. A positive stress, also termed as eustress, can be categorized as a type of stress which is caused by a situation which in turn offers an individual to gain something out of it, as this type of stress acts as a motivator and leads to peak performance. Stress can be termed as positive when it helps the individual to gain something positive out of a situation. A negative stress, also termed as de-stress, can be characterized as a type of stress which is caused due to problem arising in situation of social, physical, organizational or emotional nature as a continuous basis. Stress is a complex phenomena and may lead to numerous problems like physiological discomfort, some kind of emotional unhappiness, strained relationship with other people. To have a deep understanding of the concept of stress, it is useful to understand what does not constitute stress. We need to understand that stress is not just simple anxiety or nervous tension. Stress need not always be damaging. Daily activities of life may be stressful but not always harmful. Stress is not always due to overwork. Stress may be also result from too little to do. Stress is the body's biological response mechanism as workplace demand a variety of tasks to be performed consistently that exhaust the ability to cope up with the stressors. The body has limited capacity to respond to stressors. Every individual responds differently and not with the same intensity in similar situation and stress. Some overreact and some maintain their composure to cope with any stressor. How an individual experiences stress depend on lot of factors like Pearson's perception, past experience, social support, individual differences. Let us discuss these factors one by one. First is perception. It refers to a psychological process whereby a person selects and organizes stimuli into the concept of reality. For example, a simple transfer may be perceived by one employee as an opportunity to learn new things, and on the other hand, may be understood as extremely threatening and a warning by another employee. Second is past experience. How a person experiences stress also depend on his her past experiences with similar kind of stresses. The relationship between experience and stress is also based on reinforcement. Previous success in similar situation can reduce the level of stress, but at the same time, if the person experienced failure in similar situation can increase the stress. Next is social support. Presence or absence of support or rejection of other people also influence the experience of individual in workplace. For example, working alongside a confident and a friendly person also make people confident and reduce the stress level. Last is individual differences. Everyone is different in terms of attitude, personality, ability, and motivation. And these characteristics also influence the stress level of an employee. We can classify individual into two types according to these characteristics. A type personality who are in hurry, impatient and fast in whatever they do, and these personality are stress prone. B type personalities who are patient, not in hurry and relaxed. These individuals are less stress prone. So learners, in this video you get an insight into the concept of stress. Thank you.